Hi, this is Jenna. I'm a designer for Eaton Designs and Production, and this video is a walkthrough tutorial on how to manage your e-commerce website. In this video, I will be showing you how to log in to your administrative panel on the back end, set up your shipping, feature certain products on your homepage, view your categories, edit a product, upload a product, and even bulk upload products with a spreadsheet. Let's get started. So here we have one of our clients' homepage for e-commerce website. Down here you'll see that there are 5 featured products on her homepage. We will get back to this later, but first we will begin with how to log in. And the easiest way to log into your site, especially if you have an account page, you can just hit the My Account button where normally your customers would log in. But you can just log in right here. Another way you may log in is if you take the URL, and then after the URL you have a backward slash and you type in wp-admin, and you can also log in. It'll take you to a login screen. You may log in there as well. But since we are already here, this is the back end of your dashboard. This video will actually be right here on your home page of your dashboard. Now we will go to the next to-do list item, and that is over here for WooCommerce. And this is just to set up your shipping. We already have your address set. The only thing you need to do is go here to this, click WooCommerce, and right here it says Set Up Shipping. And you click on that and go to Edit. And right through here you can add your shipping methods, the costs, and all of that. You just click this button, and then your rates, how you want it to work, etc. Now that that's out of the way, let's get to looking at your products. So here there is a product button right here on your dashboard menu. This will be the menu item that you use the most. And this star right here, if you hover over it, it says featured. This is how you determine what is featured on your home page. This is not on your shop page where all your products are. This is the top items that you want to list. And for our client, we have her own branded products listed as featured. So all you have to do is just click the stars. And that's how you feature. If I decided I wanted to feature something else, I could just go right here and hit the star, and this will show up on my home page. Right there. But we're going to take that off because we already have 5 featured up there, and that's all we want. Next, and you may change this all you want, just depending on the season, what you want to be your customers to see first thing when they visit your website, but that's how you feature. The next thing we'll do is just take a look at our categories, and this is just to kind of help you with bulk uploads. You kind of see what all categories you already have, how many of your products counts as that category, and it's pretty straightforward. I refer to this list a lot when I am making my bulk upload spreadsheets, especially for the category section. Next, we will go to uploading a product. So how we upload a single product, we will go to our products right here, and it'll take you to this page where you can view all your products. You can also navigate to the many pages your products could have. And you will go here and add new. And you can just add a product here. I'm going to name this a single test product. And I guess we're going to make this, let's say this is a test gel product. And whatever you add down here in the product short description will actually show right here under the additional information. So I like to put the sizes of the product, especially for hair gel, so we could just say for the funds of it, this one is 12 fluid ounces. And I already clicked gel. And one thing we don't have is product images. So let's go ahead and upload an image. We'll go here, upload files, navigate to where to go.
Let's see. Test upload.
Single test upload. I do have a placeholder image for all of these images that we are uploading for this video. And once it is uploaded, we can set that as the product image and it appears there. You may add even more images if you happen to have more, especially for wigs. There's an option to add more images. And for the regular price, you can just set your price. You can also add a sale price. And also you can make this a variable product. So if you make this a variable product, that means you can add colors. So in order to add colors to your variable product or sizes, you can add color. Make sure you check use for variations. This makes sure that the little drop down menu on your product shows up. So let's say we're going to do red, brown, black. Save attributes. And I know this is not consistent for a gel, but this is just so you know how to add variations. So when you go to variations, you go here, create variations for all attributes, and hit go. You got to hit the OK button a couple times. And it may take a minute to load. Okay. And then right here, you can click on these little items and add your variation price. So if like red is cheaper than brown, they can be their own individual prices. You can add multiple different attributes. So if you were to have, say, size in here, so 12 inches, 14 inches, 16 inches, make sure you hit that use for variations button, save, go back to variations, and now you have various options. But you will need to create variations from all attributes, and this will get you all possible options that your customer could pick. So for example, if they want red in 10 inches, that would be a different price than red in 12 inches. So you would need to have that variation programmed in there. So as you can see, here we are. We would probably need to remove these because you don't want them to just pick any size. They need to know what size they want. And then you just kind of got to put a price in. In most cases, these will be kind of like the same price. I'll make all the 12 inches the same price.
And make all the 14 inches.
And I'm just doing this by a simple copy and paste method. It's nothing special. Make sure all your prices are right for these different variations, and then you save. Make sure you save this, otherwise your prices won't stick. And we still have the product image up here. That's correct. That is saved. And when we're pretty sure we are done, we're going to hit publish. And you can actually view your product. I recommend right-clicking and opening the link in a new tab. You can view what you just did here and even test it and see how much it prices at for each individual price or variation. So that's working order. So that's how you upload a single test product. Most products will probably not have variations. The more variations you have, the more complex it will be. Essentially, it will exponentially increase as you add more variations. Next, we will go through bulk uploading a product. And in order to do this, it's a good idea to go ahead and have all your images uploaded. So I'm just going to go here to Media, Add New, Select Files. And I'm just going to take all of these, probably except for my single test upload since I just uploaded that. And all of these have the same placement images, but just for the sake of it, imagine these were actual product images. So you upload all your product images, and it does take a minute. And in preparation for this, you would also need to have an Excel spreadsheet or Google Sheets spreadsheet saved. You would need a section for a product name, short description, price, category, and image named. And please note for this example, we have so many images on this website. We have a code in place that makes them smaller, so it automatically adds the word scaled to the back. So not all products uploaded and on other websites will be like this. Just for this specific website, if you do bulk upload for Serenity, you will need to add -scaled.jpg at the end. And this is only for your bulk uploads and just for this spreadsheet. You don't have to add it to the actual image name. See, there's no -scaled. Just when they upload, and you see here, right here, this file name has the word scaled added to the end. So that just needs to be consistent. Otherwise, your bulk upload will not work. So here we have bulk upload. Here's how I use the category tab to kind of assist me in figuring out what goes where, and just to make sure we don't have any duplicate categories, like one for foam lotion, one for hair mousse, etc. Just make sure they're all consistent and make sure everything's in the right place, including price. You can leave the short description blank and then go back and fill it in later. Same goes for the price, category, even the image. If that doesn't work for you, whatever you leave blank, you will have to go in later to manually input, or you could just say the flat iron doesn't need a description. It's pretty straightforward. You can just leave that blank and nothing will pop up in that area. But I do recommend always having a price, otherwise people will order things for free. So now that we got all of our images uploaded, we will go to products. And you'll hit this fancy import button. So if you look here, you'll want to import a CSV product, and what you'll need to do is save your spreadsheet as a comma delimited CSV extension, not this. You'll want to save it as comma delimited. Save. So now that that's saved, I will go in and navigate to my file that I need, and the upload I need will be example spreadsheet for products and comma separated values file. So now that I chose that file, it's always good to kind of hit this button in case there are existing products already. I just do it for the fun of it. and hit continue. And it's going to scan your spreadsheet, and then it's going to come up here, and it sees these column names, but you need to manually map it to what it is. So for the product name, it will be the name. Short description will be short description. Price will be regular price. You can also have a column for sell price, because there's also a section for sell price. So anything you saw on the single product upload form in those fields, this has it here, so you can just make a column for it on your spreadsheet if you need that for any other type of website. This website's fairly simple when it comes to the data that comes along with each product. Next, we'll have category, and you'll need to find categories here. And then for image name, this is not as straightforward, but for the image name, you will need to find the word images. Ignore all of this download stuff. Images is the one you need to hit. And then you run the importer. And it says it was successful. It will say if something fails, and typically when I've been doing this for this website, any failures have been like naming products. For example, like that dash scaled added to the end of every media that's uploaded here. So the reason because I allocated for that right here in my spreadsheet, it actually uploaded and matched up with my media. So you can view your products right here, and you can see kind of what you've uploaded, and you can go back and fix it. And here we are. Here's all the products uploaded and ready to view. I will say the last thing we are going to do that was kind of unplanned is just delete everything I just uploaded. So the easy way to delete your products is you can just select, and you can do kind of a lot of bulk actions this way. But I'm just going to do it this way so I can trash these, move to trash. Okie doke. And that completes it for the video, for the tutorial video for us today. I will say that if you end up doing website maintenance through Eaton Designs and Production, we will handle all of this product upload for you. All that cost at this time on September 28th, 2021, that cost is just $100 a month. We maintain your website. We change prices for you. We make sure everything is constantly flowing, not breaking on mobile, and that if you have any more products, we'll upload them for you, and you don't have to worry about any of this. Contact us today if you are in need of a website. We have access to do e-commerce websites, and I love spreadsheets, so just let us know. Thank you so much for tuning in and listening to this tutorial. I hope this helps. Please contact us if you need any additional assistance. Thank you.